to Ladies of the Kitchen. I'm Maria DeRosa, where I, as a kitchen connoisseur, food diva, help people heal through the art of cooking. Every first and third Thursday we do videos like today, and second and third Thursdays I give you some tidbits about how we do that, how we heal through the art of cooking with people, places, and recipes. A lot of you know that I am absolutely obsessed with coffee. I love my coffee in the morning, as most of you do, but I am not going to be drinking it today. No, I'm going to be sharing a little bit about how the natural anti-cellulite ingredient in coffee can help us heal our skin and the exterior of our body and make us glow and feel good. We're going to be talking about scrubs and masks. So, before we start, what you need is very simple, and everybody has it who loves coffee. Coffee grounds. The best of the best is something that's organic, that hasn't been processed thousands of times. I like to use a particular one for my Isogenics, but a good, fresh, organic ground coffee is amazing. And we're also going to be using a lemon, actual lemon juice, which I've already squeezed, so I'm going to take it out of the oven. This is a refrigerator. Yeah, refrigerator. Lemon juice. So let's start with a scrub, and then we'll go to our mask. But before we do that, I'm going to tell you why coffee is such a great ingredient for both of these. So we're going to step over here, and you're going to see that the anti-cellular ingredients in caffeine of the coffee bean has these benefits. Number one, it removes dead skin. So our skin is always producing new cells, and when it gets in certain climates, the dead skin can actually make it a little bit harmful and rough and create all sorts of weird things going on the exterior of our skin. So it helps remove that. Two, helps with dark spots. As we age, almost everyone experiences a little bit of dark spotting because of our interaction with the sun. Third thing, it helps with wrinkles. Who doesn't want a little bit of help with that? Instead of having to buy all these weird creams or get special treatments. And the last thing is it has this anti-cellular ingredient naturally in it, in the caffeine itself. So, what's the difference between what I'm going to make here, which is a scrub, and a mask? Both using coffee grounds. Okay, a scrub is primarily on the skin, on the body to exfoliate, get rid of that dead skin, and open up our pores. It's a natural thing that we want to do on a regular basis if possible, and if we can use natural ingredients, it enhances it. With a scrub, you don't want to do this more than once a week. You could do it twice if your skin isn't super sensitive. And you want to get it off of you right away. You don't want it to sit. With a mask, which again we're going to be using the coffee grounds, you will put it on your face and it literally sits for about 10 to 15 minutes because the purpose is more to help the glow, not only get rid of your dead skins, but eventually that anti-cellular ingredient is helping the dark spots get less. So let's start. We're going to do the scrub. So here is a half a cup of our grounds. We're going to also do a half cup of coconut oil. Now you can use a really good coconut oil that you can actually purchase. I like the one from Isogenics, or you can use a good organic coconut oil that you can purchase at Whole Foods, Sprouts, one of your favorite natural food stores. So no need to like put it in perfectly or anything like that. So here's our grounds, half a cup. We're gonna add the half cup of coconut oil. Then we need a half cup of organic raw brown sugar. So I'm gonna put that in there. And lastly, to give it a beautiful scent and also help its natural components all coming together here, is I'm going to use a teaspoon of fresh vanilla extract. This was given to me by a really good friend. So we're going to put in that teaspoon right there. Now we're going to mix all this. One of my favorite utensils in the kitchen besides my whisk is a spatula. So as you can see, I'm going to have the cameraman come in closer. These grounds are sounding crunchy, and they've actually made a scrub. Look at this. Oh my gosh, the vanilla makes it smell so good. Now a scrub like this, since it's natural, can actually keep in a container for a while. But you're going to be using this on your body, so I would say you'd probably get maybe 2 to 3 showers on this. So let's see what this looks like on my skin. Because it's scrub, you actually rinse off right away. Oh my gosh, the coconut oil makes it feel so good. So when you shower, or just because you get back from a good workout and you want to kind of just rinse off, this would be a really fun thing to do and feel good. And now we're going to just rinse off. And immediately I can tell you that my skin is feeling so much softer and supple. So that's our scrub. How do we put our scrub? We should put it in a container that most likely is not glass, because you don't want any kind of glass in your shower, but you don't really want something that is too plasticky, because we want to try to eliminate plastic. So I have one of those containers that a lot of you can get in the store. Use a Go Green container here. All right, so that's our scrub. Let's make our mask. Now with our mask, we're going to have a 4th cup, because the mask we're using a lot less, the scrub we're using more often. So this would be good for maybe 1, possibly 2 masks, depending on how thick you want to put it on. So I've got 1/4 cup of the brown sugar, a 1/4 cup of the grounds, and I'm going to now add lemon juice from my lemon to make a paste. So we're going to come on over here so you guys can see it better. You want to kind of watch me put this together. Come on in. We've got some lemon juice from a lemon, and I'm going to just kind of keep making this till it kind of gets into a paste. So it's still not, it's looking like it's pasty now. Yeah. So this was almost 1 entire lemon that I had in here. So it's looking like it's a pretty good paste now that so I'm going to show you the consistency of that paste. Now, here comes the fun part. I'm going to put this on my face so you can get an idea, and you will see the pictures later down below, because the mask needs to sit for 10 to 15 minutes. And these two, who doesn't have grounds around? Now, some people say, can you use the grounds that have dried after you've had your cup of coffee and they're just sitting there? The answer to that is yes, but you're going to have a better element of success in the ultimate goal of exfoliation, of everything you want, if you use fresh grounds. So, here we go. I'm going to put it on this side of my face. Ooh, feels really nice and cool. I don't know what I look like because I don't have a mirror. But you guys, I will be covering my face. You'll be seeing this picture and you will see the before and after, 10 to 15 minutes. I love coffee. This is the only time I don't drink it, but let me tell you, what a wonderful thing to know that you can have something you can ingest and also enjoy on the outside. See you next week on Ladies of the Kitchen, and I'll be updating the pictures with results. Bye.